See how I turned 100% AI written text into 100% human written content for free. Hi guys, have you been struggling with AI detection on your research work or content? Are you worried your AI written text might be flagged? In this video, I'll show you a simple free method to humanize your AI text and reduce detection to 0 to 3% using just your phone or laptop. If you have already written your research using AI word for word, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get started. So guys, I am in Microsoft Word and then this is my research work. I have about 2 chapters in this research work. So I'm starting off with chapter 1. And for my chapter 1, I have the background to the studies section. This background to the studies section has about 3 to 4 paragraphs, but I'm not going to just copy all the paragraphs under this background to the study section. I'm going to humanize and check for AI detection based on each paragraph. That means I'm going to be working one paragraph at a time. So I copied the first paragraph under this section, and then the reason why I'm doing this is for me not to mix up the information so that each paragraph still maintains each same information it has. So I copied the first paragraph and then head over to this free AI tool, which I will use to dictate how much AI percentage the text has and also to see if I will humanize the text. So the name of this AI tool is called Humanizer AI. Once I search for that, this is the interface of the Humanizer AI. There's no serious sign up required, so it's very easy to use. On the home page, when you click on this very place, you're going to see AI Humanizer and AI Detector. So because my first goal is for me to check how many percentage that particular text has, so I'm going to select AI Detector. So once I've selected that, on the right hand side, you can see that the tool also checks your text against multiple high-level AI detectors, which makes the results which this tool gives to you more reliable. So I paste in my text and then I click on check for AI. You can see the results right here. This paragraph shows 3% AI GPT, which means that this is 97% human written, which still looks fair. So I usually work with these percentages 0 to 3% GPT. Anything more than that, I make sure I reduce it. Since this particular paragraph is safe, I try another paragraph. I copy the paragraph and head back to this AI humanizer. And then when I checked for the percentage AI, it showed 15% AI, which is too high. Yours can even be 100%, 50%, whatsoever percentage it is, so long as it's more than 3%, you need to reduce it. So now that this particular paragraph is showing me 15% AI, I need to reduce it. And I cannot use that humanizer feature that is in this tool because I don't really like it. I don't really trust the process. So listen carefully on how we are going to humanize this text so that it will turn to 0% AI. So that particular paragraph that showed me 15% AI, I copied it and head to ChatGPT. I pasted in that research text and I used this exact prompt saying, humanize the text so it's not detected as AI. I hit on send on ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT gives me the result, I don't rush to just copy it and check for the percentage again. What I do is that I read through, I scan through the text to make sure that this new version of the text, it matches with the original text, it matches with the original meaning, it maintains the same academic tone, it conveys the same information. This is very important so that the original text and the new version text doesn't seem to have two different meaning. You get me? So since everything aligned, I copied the humanized text which ChatGPT gave to me and I went back to the AI humanizer tool. Still on that humanized AI detector, I pasted in that humanized text which ChatGPT gave to me and I checked for AI again. Now you can see that the result it gave to me shows 0% AI GPT, which means that the text is 100% human written. So guys, I know that at this point you have really learned a whole lot using this simple process. But let me quickly say this. If you don't have the time to do this yourself, because this actually takes much time, but I really love the process because after everything, you are sure of the results you have. If you don't really have that time to do this yourself, or you want your AI text to be professionally humanized, reviewed, and polished for academic or content purpose, you can contact us via the email you see on the screen. We handle research work, long documents, and academic content professionally. All right. Apart from dictating the percentage of AI content using this tool, you can also humanize your text directly on this website using that AI humanizer feature. But I prefer using this ChatGPT method, which I've shown you guys earlier, because it helps me maintain the context, structure, and flow of the research. You get me? So I repeated this same process using that ChatGPT method. I repeated it for each of the paragraph. So guys, after repeating this process for all the paragraphs, I was able to humanize the text in my research work. When I copied everything and checked it again using that AI detector, what I saw was 1% AI, which means that all the text is 99% human rating. If this video helped you in any way, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know if you have been waiting for this kind of content. And remember, if you want your research work or your AI written content to be humanized professionally, the email is still on the screen. Thanks for watching.